Let's turn on the juice and see what shakes loose. Hey guys, are you ready for a quick and easy tutorial on how to look like BeetleJuice? I mean, I'm the female version, obviously. If so, stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 6 of my 13 spooky tutorials this month. I am going crazy. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Thank you so much for being here each and every day with me. Today we're gonna do a super simple look. This is great if it's a last minute Halloween costume that you need right before you're leaving to go to your party. Are we partying? It's 2020. Should we be partying? I know I am absolutely not. But if you do go out party, make sure you wear a mask. All right, guys, it's showtime. So I actually did my eyes like this for work today. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this, let me know and I will get that loaded here after my Halloween week. I do want to mess my makeup look a little bit to go with this. But first we're going to start with the base for our face. BeetleJuice himself is a little pale, so I want to go into a white face paint. This one happens to be from Snazaroo, but you can use any one you want. And I'm just going to take a makeup sponge and get some of that paint. You don't want to look overly white, you just want a bit of white. And I'm just going to get it right up into that makeup. If you're doing a BeetleJuice look, you don't have to do this look that I have. I just wanted to wear some BeetleJuice-like makeup to work because I knew I would be doing this tutorial tonight. You can just do a blown out purple eye and just make it really messy, and that would be perfect. And then once you're kind of white, you'll want to set that with some powder so that the makeup doesn't move. Then we want to go in and highlight, so you'll just want to use another white eyeshadow if you have something, and just kind of add that to any place that you would normally highlight and conceal. Now going into my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, I'm going to pick up the purple that I used earlier, which is called Not My Journey. And just on a fluffy brush, I'm gonna pick up some of that and just buff that under my eyes. And I'm not worried about it being clean. I just want some of that color on there to make it look messy. Because if you look at BeetleJuice, he just looks like he's been through hell and back. Or, you know, he looks like a mom who hasn't gotten sleep in a couple days. Perfect. This is what I look like before I put on makeup. I'm just gonna pull that down just a little bit just to get some draggies from it. Just really want it to look grungy and messy. Good. And then going into our Carnival XL Pro palette, we're gonna use some of the greens. Just a big old fluffy brush. I'm gonna go into Ecstasy, which is a bright green. And we're just gonna kind of start laying this where we would put contour. And it doesn't have to be neat. And don't worry about you not seeing it because we're going to go in with a darker color too. We just kind of want to lay this down. So once you have the light green down, you want to go into a deeper green and just kind of dot around in that same area, but not all over where we put the light green. And you want to make sure you stay in the green family. Don't grab a green that kind of has like a blue tone in it, because you'll end up with a color that's more of a turquoise, and we're trying to stick with the greens. Now I'm going to dip into some of Glam Vice's Retro Liner, and this is in spandex. And this is just water activated. I'm just going to use a paintbrush and get some of that color. And I'm just gonna make some squigglies here and there just to add a little more depth to this whole look. We're looking gross and BeetleJuice-like, so that's perfect. Now for a lip, I would definitely go with something that is like a deep dark purple. I don't normally buy lipsticks because I don't really use them that often. I'm big on glosses. So one that I have on hand is from Lele Posh Cosmetics and it's called Grape Soda. It's not going to be dark on me. It's just going to give me a little bit of color and sparkle, but it's in that pretty purple color that I want. And then you're done. I just added this cute wig I got from Amazon for about $13. If you can't afford to get a wig, or this is like a last minute costume and you're just trying to run out the door, you can add your white face paint to your hair, and then you can add green face paint on top of that because the white will let the green really show off on your hair, especially if you got dark hair like me. Or you can do the white face paint and then just buy a cheap can of color hairspray at the store. The color hairspray will stick well to that white as well. Again, especially if you have dark hair like me. If you're a blonde, you ain't got no problems. And that's it. I mean, this is just a really quick and easy look. Even if you didn't do the crazy eye that I did and you just did a smoked out purple eye, I mean, that's really quick to do. Again, if you guys want to see this eye look I actually have on, I can do a tutorial about that. Just leave me a comment down below saying you want to see the eye look. I hope you guys do like this tutorial. This was day, what, 6? And I think I've done a pretty good job in giving you some easy, cool looks to do this Halloween. All right, guys, until tomorrow, I will talk to you all then. BeetleJuice. Bye.